side profile, it's saying the built-in power bank function, and on the back some other details are there, and on the side it's saying a splash proof and JBL sharing function. So let's just open the piece. So this is JBL K3 Plus. On the front it has a JBL branding. On the top it has a power button, Bluetooth, volume down, volume up, sharing function, calling function, and a microphone. These are LEDs over it for indication. And on the bottom it has a SD card slot, charging slot, aux, and USB. On the side JBL brandings on the radiators. So let's just power it on. And inside the box we have aux cord, charging cord, and one documentation for K3 Plus. Let's just connect this piece to my mobile phone, and finally the Bluetooth speaker is connected to my mobile phone via Bluetooth. And let's just play some free music to test the sound quality. So this was the sound quality for JBL K3 Plus, and it has a very good sound quality and good bass output at this price point. This is the one of the highest selling models